Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Photoshop, and let's see today how we can change the ratio of your image. For the ratio good for posting in Instagram, like 4:5 or 1:1. Let's see. So right now the ratio is 4000 by 3000. It means 4:3. Okay, and in order to change it, you have to find crop tool icon, left click of your mouse on it, and now you see the ratio is, as I said, 4:3, and you are finding here the window with ratios. Left click of your mouse on this arrow and see these are ratios mostly used by people already set up, and you can choose 1:1 or 4:5, for example, or you can even add new crop preset, 4:3 or 4:7, for example, something like this, but we don't need such a one. Okay, so we are using 4:5. You see, what is inside will be visible in new image, and you can change it. For example, you want to be visible this part, so you are doing left click of your mouse and you are moving the image which is like on a background and choosing the part which you want to be visible. You can even reduce the area, it will be cropped, and later it will be 4:1 either. Okay, and after you are done, click on this check mark. That's it. Now the ratio is 4:5 and is suitable for Instagram. That's it. Thank you.